Hello everyone! Today I'm going to explain one of the most important part of speech in English grammar, which is a nouns. By the end in this presentation, you will understand about what is a nouns mean, their types, their function, and some common mistakes that English learners often make. Okay, first of all, before we're going to learn about the nouns, let me introduce myself. My name is Lorena and I'm from Digital Business of Class C. First, what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. So, in simple words, if you can name it, it is probably a noun. So, nouns are one of the most important part of speech because they are used in almost every sentence. Without nouns, it will be difficult to identify who or what we are talking about. 2. Types of nouns. Part 1. Common nouns. Common nouns refer to general people, places, or things. They're not too specific and usually begin with a lowercase letter. For example, the teachers gave us homework. Part 2. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, organizations, or countries. They always begin with a capital letter. For example, Reina lives in Indonesia. Part 3. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are things that we can see, we can hear, we can touch, we can smell, and we can taste. For example, the dog is running in the park. Part 4. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refer to ideas, feelings, emotions, or qualities, so we can see or touch them. Okay? For example, honesty is the best policy. Part 5. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count. They have singular and plural forms. For example, I have 3 books. And last one is uncountable nouns. So uncountable nouns is nouns that we can't usually be counted individually. For example, I need some water. 3. Functions of nouns. Part 1. Subject. Nouns can be the subject, which means it performs the action. For example, the student is studying. Here, students is the subject. Okay. Part 2. Object. Nouns can also be the object, which means they receive, perform the actions. For example, she bought a laptop. So, laptop is the object. Part 3. Object of the preposition. A noun can come after a preposition. For example, the book is on the table. So, the noun table is object of the preposition on. Part 4. Subject complement. A noun can rename or identify the subject. For example, my brother is a doctor. So, the noun doctor in this sentence gives us more information about my brother. 4. Common problems with nouns. English learners often make mistakes when using nouns. Mistakes 1. She has many books. She has many books. Because many means more than one, so we need the plural noun. Mistake 2. Countable and uncountable. I have many information. I have much information, or I have a lot of information, because information is uncountable. Why are nouns important? Nouns are essential because they can tell us with what, where, which, or who, so they can help us to express our ideas or feelings clearly and completely, so we can make communication possible. Without nouns, sentence would lose their meaning because we would not know what or whom we are talking about. Okay, we're finished to learn about nouns, so thank you for watching, and I hope that this video is can help you for learning a noun and understand nouns better. So goodbye.